Hi everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to add dual or clone apps in your device Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. So if you want to add dual apps or clone apps in your device Xiaomi Mix Fold 2, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can add dual apps or clone apps.